Oh yeah, we gotta put the wire mesh. Me and Yellen are very budget friendly people, so I got this wire fencing from a junk removal job.
Yeah, it's steady.
What's going on, everyone? Andre here with Jack of All Trades. Today, me and Yellen are going to be pouring some concrete. We're going to be running the MudMixer for this pad right here. Yellen said it's going to be taking about 1.5 hours, which does not sound bad at all. The prep was definitely more work than that. We took about 4 hours of our day yesterday working over here. We raised this a good bit, maybe 3 or 4 of my dump trailers of crush and run went in here. We compacted it really well with this compactor. I also went to Home Depot yesterday, picked up 2 pallets of concrete right here. We're estimating we're only going to probably use 1.5, but rather have some more on site than not, and then we can just return the rest. All the chickens gathered up over here ready to watch us work. It's going to be a good view for them. The shed I bought is 8x12, so the slab we're going to be pouring is going to be exactly that. I purchased this kit from Home Depot about 4 months ago. It's still all wrapped up. Let's hope no water got inside and damaged it.
I like the way this moves.
It's not a bad machine, man. For $25,000, it's been a very good investment.
Yeah.
If it was maybe $40,000, it would not be worth it. But for $25,000, I think it's a moneymaker because it can do a lot of small jobs super quick.
Like quick. Like you want that big, that stuff right there would have took my machine like twice as long.
Really?
Yeah. For grinding it and trying to grind it like that, because the front, my machine doesn't have that front open area like this. I have to grind it. I gotta go with different angles. With this one, you can just start from the very bottom of the stump. And plus the way it swivels, it's all hydraulic instead of electronic.
Yeah.
So with the electronic, you gotta press this. With that, is like the motion it swings exactly how you want it to swing.
Yeah.
Which is a big advantage.
So far, no issues. I'm surprised.
I think at this point you probably broke even by the time you went to the job site.
Maybe just on stumps, but because I got other jobs because of this. You know, sometimes I would go grind some stumps for like $400 or, you know, $300, and then they'd have a tree to remove. Maybe that's $1,000, you know, so yeah. Remember that Romanian guy?
Yeah.
Long time ago, he called me for some stumps, and then later on he gave me like $5,000 worth of tree work.
Oh.
And just because I grinded stumps for him, he called me for one stump. Yeah. And then later he called me for a few more stumps, and they're like, "You cut trees?" I was like, "Yes, sir." And then he's like, "Give me a price on all these."
Yeah.
So just because I had the machine, I was able to make a lot more money.
Yeah.
If I wouldn't have this at the house, bro, I'd be in trouble, because renting it for like 1 stump here, 2 stumps there, it would add up quick.
It would.
But like this, you know,
especially
having it.
You still doing your house?
Like yesterday when we dug this out, because I had the machine, I was able to grind 1 stump out of the way, no problem, right away.
Yep. And no, like, you know.
No waiting on anybody to show up, nothing.
Everything's there. That's the big advantage of it.
Saves a lot of money when you're working at the house, having the equipment.
Exactly.
Okay, put it down.
Turn it on this way.
Super easy water hookup right here. Brass fittings. We're running a pretty big hose right here to the MudMixer because the pad is pretty far. So this black hose is 100 foot, and then we have probably about 25 in that green one. Long extension cord as well. Yeah, I got these extension cords from junk removal jobs, Elon.
Yeah, you gotta save them.
I did.
These are heavy duty like this.
Yeah, after I saw you need them for the MudMixer,
yeah, especially
I've been
like,
saving them.
This is thick, 12/3, so that's like super thick, just like this one right here.
And then we hook it right to the extension cord. Yep, we got power.
Good work.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I gotta change the thumbnail. So if you have a machine like mine, $31 parts after tax. It's not quite lined up right now, so I'm just gonna lower the arm and line it up.
You're a pretty good mechanic. Yellen's YouTube channel has been growing, almost at 2,000 subscribers. He posts pretty good. Home Depot's forklift doesn't have enough power to push these pallets more forward, so when I was driving them home, I had to drive maybe about 35-45 miles an hour to not get a bad fishtail going. A flatbed trailer would be more ideal for pickup, but I didn't think that their forklifts were that weak. I'm wearing a mask so you guys probably won't hear as well, but let's grab the first bag and put it in. We forgot the chute extension, so that's gonna suck because we can't fit 4 bags. We can only put 2 at most. Oh yeah, we gotta put the wire mesh. Dang, totally forgot about that. Rookies. Me and Yellen are very budget friendly people, so I got this wire fencing from a junk removal job a couple months ago. I decided to keep it, and that's exactly what we're gonna be using. No need to buy some when you already have it at the house. Just short enough.
Cut a little bit more and it will be done. We got
That
some more
sucks.
scrap metal around here. So.
Alright, we're gonna be using this scrap metal right here. We just gotta take the vegetation off. It's gonna be more solid. Almost ready to go.
We're ready to go. Alright guys, I'm pulling the fence up.
I got the chute filled up with concrete again. MudMixer continues working. Sometimes bigger rocks get stuck, but if you reverse it a little bit, it fixes the problem. We almost got stuck. Oh, got stuck. Reverse. Yellen is the man. Always a pleasure working with him. Helps me out big time.
50 with 132.
Pull the wire, Yellen, pull the wire! Ah.
I got you. Otherwise, people are going to be promising to rub it on. Get it a couple times. Perfect. You guys see that, right? He's putting the wood.
We got the wire mesh over here raised up pretty good, so the concrete is going right through the holes, making it a very strong bond.
Small rock, easy.
Yep. Master Yulon getting it done. Thanks to MudMixer.
Fresh air.
I know, it's a workout for the face with the mask.
Yeah.
Hold on a second. I got the shovel.
Oh, go get the.
Oh no, I put water on the tongue.
Yeah. We'll make it wicker. Professional, Andre, you're doing good.
Oh man, that's a low spot now here, I think.
Right there.
We'll have to
It's a
add
low
some.
spot. We just add a little bit more of the concrete than we have on the outside.
Yeah. This slab right here took us about an hour and a half to pour, just like Elon said. Now we have to wait for it to harden up a little bit, and then we're going to be doing the final touches.
Yeah, it's steady. It's steady fast on this side.
One back crash. We're on to the brooming step for this side right here because it is hardening up quick. I think the chickens enjoyed this show right here. I know me and Yilin had a lot of fun pouring this slab. Came out great in my eyes. Looks really good. All thanks to this guy right here. He is the real professional. The only concrete guy I know that is willing to work hard and make stuff happen. Thank you, Yilin.
We tried. Yep, no problem at all.
This right here is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this content, please don't forget to leave us a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.